When people go shopping for a pickup truck today, most of them get distracted by giant touchscreens, flashy LED lights, expensive trim packages, and promises of futuristic technology. Manufacturers keep telling buyers that newer always means better. But what if that isn't true? What if some of the toughest trucks on the road are actually the ones almost nobody talks about anymore? Today we're counting down 5 dirt-cheap pickups that most buyers completely overlook. But these machines have earned a reputation for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. Some are incredibly affordable on the used market, some are simple enough to repair in your own garage, and one of them might actually be the smartest truck purchase you could make this year. Stick around until the end, because the final truck on this list completely changed the way people think about budget pickups. Let's kick things off with number 5, the legendary Ford Raptor. First glance, many people might wonder why a performance off-road truck belongs on a list of affordable, long-lasting pickups. The answer is simple. Early generation Raptors have dropped dramatically in price compared to what they originally sold for, and many buyers ignore them because they're worried about repair costs or assume every Raptor has been abused off-road. But if you find one that has been properly maintained, looking at one of the most capable pickups ever built. A high-strength frame, heavy-duty suspension, locking differential, skid plates, and off-road engineering designed to survive punishment that would destroy ordinary trucks. That's exactly why many Raptors with well over 200,000 miles are still tackling trails, hauling equipment, and serving as reliable daily drivers. The secret is buying a truck with a documented maintenance history rather than one that's been modified beyond recognition. While newer trucks rely on increasingly complicated electronics, older Raptors combine serious capability with proven engineering that mechanics already know inside and out. Even after more than a decade on the road, Raptor continues proving that real durability never goes out of style. Coming in at number 4 is the Nissan Navara, one of the world's most underrated pickup trucks. Depending on where you live, you may hardly see one on the road. Internationally, the Navara has built an incredible reputation for reliability. Farmers, construction crews, mining companies, and fleet operators have trusted this truck for years because it simply refuses to quit. Its diesel engines, particularly in global markets, are known for delivering excellent fuel economy while running reliably for hundreds of thousands of miles. The chassis is built to handle constant abuse, rough terrain, overloaded beds, and endless highway miles without constantly demanding expensive repairs. Unlike many modern trucks loaded with luxury features that become expensive to fix after the warranty expires, the Navara focuses on durability first. Owners often report driving these trucks well beyond 300,000 miles with only routine servicing. That kind of longevity explains why used Navaras continue working long after many newer trucks have already developed costly electrical problems. It's not flashy, it doesn't dominate commercials, and it rarely grabs headlines, but it quietly earns respect from the people who depend on their trucks every single day. Sliding into number 3 is the luxurious GMC Canyon Denali, a truck that somehow manages to combine premium comfort with impressive long-term durability. Many buyers assume that because it carries the Denali badge, ownership must be expensive forever. Surprisingly, depreciation has made older Canyon Denali models incredibly affordable, while keeping nearly all of their premium features intact. Leather seating, advanced safety equipment, premium interiors, and strong towing capability come together in a mid-size package that's easier to maneuver than a full-size truck. Underneath all the luxury, however, sits a platform that has proven itself across years of real-world use. The available V6 engine has established a solid reputation when properly maintained, and replacement parts remain widely available thanks to GM's enormous parts network. Many owners purchase these trucks for commuting during the week and light towing on weekends, meaning plenty of used examples haven't lived the brutally hard lives many full-size work trucks experience. That's exactly why patient buyers can often find exceptionally clean Canyon Denalis for a fraction of their original price, while still enjoying years of dependable service ahead. For someone wanting both comfort and durability without spending brand new truck money, this pickup quietly delivers far more value than people expect. Now it's time for number 2. The Honda Ridgeline, perhaps the most misunderstood pickup on the market. Critics love pointing out that it doesn't use traditional body-on-frame construction like many competitors. But owners couldn't care less, because the Ridgeline consistently proves itself where it matters most: reliability. Honda engineered this truck with everyday usability in mind, creating a pickup that delivers an incredibly smooth ride while still offering respectable towing and hauling capability for the majority of buyers. The naturally aspirated V6 engine has become famous for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles, with regular oil changes and basic maintenance. Transmission improvements over the years have made newer generations even more dependable, while the truck's unibody design reduces many of the rattles and squeaks that older body-on-frame pickups eventually develop. Add in Honda's reputation for engineering excellence, and it's easy to understand why so many Ridgeline owners keep their trucks for well over a decade. Hidden storage beneath the bed floor, the dual-action tailgate, comfortable cabin, and practical design make daily ownership surprisingly enjoyable. Buyers chasing rugged marketing often overlook the Ridgeline completely, but those who actually own one frequently become lifelong fans because the truck simply keeps running year after year with remarkably few headaches. And now we've reached the number one spot, the Toyota IMV0, the pickup that has truck enthusiasts around the world talking for one simple reason. It goes back to the basics. At a time when many new pickups are becoming more expensive, more complicated, and packed with technology that can cost thousands to repair, Toyota decided to build something completely different. The IMV0 was designed with one goal in mind: maximum durability with minimum complexity. That philosophy alone is why many experts believe this truck could become one of the longest-lasting pickups Toyota has ever produced. Everything about it is focused on getting the job done instead of showing off. The body panels are simple, the interior is functional, the controls are straightforward, and the mechanical components are intentionally easy to service. It's the kind of truck that can spend years on construction sites, farms, remote villages, or small businesses without demanding constant attention from a dealership. One of the biggest reasons the IMV0 is generating so much excitement is its modular design. Instead of forcing buyers into one expensive configuration, Toyota engineered the platform so different body styles and equipment can be added depending on the owner's needs. Whether someone needs a flatbed, cargo box, service vehicle, or simple work truck, the IMV0 can be adapted without unnecessary complexity. That flexibility could make it one of the most practical pickups on the market for decades to come. Simplicity often equals reliability, and Toyota knows that better than almost anyone in the automotive industry. Every unnecessary electronic system removed is one less component that can fail years down the road. Another reason people are paying close attention to this pickup is Toyota's incredible history of building trucks that refuse to die. Models like the Hilux have earned legendary reputations across the globe by surviving conditions that would destroy many other vehicles. The IMV0 follows the same philosophy of dependable engineering instead of chasing luxury trends. Mechanics appreciate vehicles that are easy to diagnose. Fleet owners appreciate trucks that spend more time working than sitting in repair shops. Small business owners appreciate lower maintenance costs over thousands of miles. The IMV0 checks every one of those boxes while staying true to Toyota's reputation for long-term dependability. Now compare these 5 pickups side by side, and a surprising pattern begins to emerge. None of them became famous because they had the biggest touchscreen, the most expensive interior, or the latest software updates. They earned respect because they were engineered to handle real work. The Ford Raptor proved that high-performance off-road capability doesn't have to sacrifice toughness. The Nissan Navara demonstrated that dependable engineering can quietly outperform flashy competitors for years. The GMC Canyon Denali showed that luxury and durability can exist in the same package when built correctly. The Honda Ridgeline reminded everyone that reliability often matters more than aggressive styling, and the Toyota IMV0 is bringing the industry back to the idea that simple trucks can sometimes be the smartest trucks. Here's something many buyers don't realize until it's too late. A brand new pickup might lose tens of thousands of dollars in value within just a few years, while one of these proven trucks has already gone through most of its depreciation. That means your money goes toward actual mechanical value, instead of paying for the excitement of driving off a dealer's lot. In many cases, buying a carefully maintained older pickup leaves enough money in your pocket for maintenance, upgrades, better tires, or even years' worth of fuel, making it a far better long-term investment than financing an expensive new truck loaded with features you'll rarely use. Reliability also changes the ownership experience in ways people often overlook. When your truck starts every morning, handles heavy workloads without complaint, and doesn't constantly flash warning lights across the dashboard, you stop worrying about repairs and start focusing on the work or adventures ahead. That's exactly why so many owners refuse to sell these pickups even after driving them for hundreds of thousands of miles. They know replacing a truck that's already proven itself can actually be riskier than simply maintaining the one sitting in their driveway. There's another reason these pickups continue to surprise people year after year, and it has nothing to do with horsepower or towing numbers. It's the incredible communities that have formed around them. Search online, visit truck forums, or talk to longtime owners, and you'll hear story after story of these pickups crossing the 250,000-mile mark, then 300,000 miles, and in some cases, even approaching 500,000 miles, with the original engine still doing its job. Those stories aren't accidents. They're the result of solid engineering, regular maintenance, and designs that prioritize durability over short-term trends. That's becoming increasingly rare in today's automotive world. Take the Ford Raptor again, for example. Plenty of people buy one expecting it to be nothing more than an off-road toy, but many owners quickly discover it's much more versatile than that. It can spend the week hauling tools, pull a trailer on the weekend, and still tackle rocky trails without hesitation. The heavy-duty suspension components were built to absorb punishment that ordinary pickups simply weren't designed to handle. When maintained properly, those rugged foundations continue paying dividends long after newer trucks begin developing expensive electronic problems. That's why clean first-generation Raptors are becoming increasingly desirable among buyers who understand exactly what they're getting. The Nissan Navara tells a similar story, but from a completely different angle. Around the world, it's common to see Navaras working in places where breakdowns simply aren't an option. Remote construction sites, mountain roads, agricultural fields, and harsh climates demand vehicles that can keep moving no matter the conditions. That's exactly the environment where the Navara earned its reputation. Its straightforward engineering allows repairs to be completed more easily than many modern pickups packed with complicated electronics. For businesses that rely on every truck to stay productive, that kind of simplicity translates directly into lower operating costs and fewer days lost to unexpected repairs. The GMC Canyon Denali continues proving that mid-sized trucks shouldn't be underestimated. While many buyers automatically assume bigger always means better, the Canyon Denali offers a balance that's difficult to ignore. It's large enough to handle serious work, yet compact enough to navigate crowded parking lots and city streets without feeling overwhelming. The comfortable interior means drivers can spend hours behind the wheel without fatigue, while the truck's proven drivetrain gives owners confidence to tow boats, campers, or utility trailers whenever needed. That combination of practicality and comfort explains why so many owners keep these trucks far longer than originally planned. The Honda Ridgeline deserves even more credit than it usually receives. For years, critics focused on what it wasn't, instead of appreciating what it actually delivered. It may not be designed to crawl over giant boulders every weekend, but that's not how most pickup owners use their trucks. The majority need something dependable for commuting, home improvement projects, weekend adventures, family road trips, and occasional towing. That's exactly where the Ridgeline excels. Its smooth ride quality makes long-distance driving far more enjoyable than many traditional pickups, while Honda's proven engineering continues to reward owners with years of dependable service and relatively low maintenance costs. And then there's the Toyota IMV-0, a truck that represents something many people thought the industry had forgotten. Instead of asking how many luxury features can fit into a pickup, Toyota asked a completely different question. How can we build a truck that keeps working year after year with the fewest possible complications? That mindset could make the IMV-0 one of the most significant work trucks of its generation. Small businesses, farmers, delivery companies, contractors, and first-time truck buyers don't always need premium leather seats or massive digital displays. They need reliability. They need affordability. Most importantly, they need a truck that earns money instead of constantly demanding it through expensive repairs. When you step back and look at the entire market, it's easy to see why these 5 pickups continue standing out, despite being overlooked by so many shoppers. Every year, manufacturers introduce another wave of expensive models with bigger screens, more software, additional sensors, and increasingly complex systems. Those features certainly look impressive inside a showroom, but years later, they're often the very components that become expensive to repair or replace. Meanwhile, these proven pickups continue doing exactly what they've always done, starting every morning, carrying heavy loads, towing when needed, and asking for little more than routine maintenance. That kind of consistency is difficult to put a price on, especially when you're counting on your truck every single day. Another factor that separates these pickups from many of today's new models is the cost of ownership over the long run. Buying a truck isn't just about the purchase price. Insurance, maintenance, repairs, depreciation, fuel costs, and replacement parts all add up over time. That's where these overlooked pickups begin to shine. Because they've already proven themselves over years of real-world use, mechanics know how to work on them, aftermarket parts are widely available, and owners have access to thousands of repair guides and maintenance tips. That makes keeping one on the road much less intimidating than owning a brand new truck filled with proprietary electronics and software. Think about how many people trade in perfectly good vehicles simply because they're chasing the newest model. Every year, dealerships fill their lots with trucks that still have decades of life left in them, but buyers walk right past because they're focused on whatever was just announced. That's exactly why smart shoppers often find incredible bargains. A truck with 150,000 miles may sound intimidating to someone unfamiliar with these models, but for a well-maintained Ford Raptor, Nissan Navara, GMC Canyon Denali, Honda Ridgeline, or Toyota IMV0, that mileage is often just the beginning of its story, rather than the end. Maintenance habits also play a much bigger role than people realize. Even the toughest pickup won't last forever if it's neglected, while a properly serviced truck can easily outlive expectations. Regular oil changes, transmission servicing, cooling system maintenance, brake inspections, suspension checks, and replacing worn components before they fail can dramatically extend the life of any vehicle. The owners who reach 300,000 or even 400,000 miles usually aren't lucky. They're simply consistent. They fix small problems before they become expensive ones, and that's one of the biggest secrets behind these legendary trucks. Another overlooked advantage is their resale value. Because these pickups have earned strong reputations, clean examples often attract buyers quickly. People who know trucks recognize the value of proven reliability, and they're willing to travel long distances for a well-maintained example with service records. That means when the time eventually comes to sell, owners can often recover a surprisingly good portion of what they paid, especially if the truck has been cared for properly. It's also worth mentioning how these trucks perform in real working environments. Construction crews don't care how beautiful a touchscreen looks if the truck won't start at 6 o'clock in the morning. Farmers don't judge a pickup by its ambient lighting package when there's equipment waiting to be hauled across muddy fields. Small business owners aren't impressed by expensive technology if the truck spends weeks at the dealership waiting for specialized parts. Reliability becomes the most valuable feature the moment your income depends on your vehicle. That's why these 5 pickups continue earning respect from people who actually rely on them every single day. As automotive technology continues evolving, many experts believe dependable, easy-to-maintain trucks like these will become even more desirable. Modern vehicles are introducing more sensors, larger infotainment systems, advanced driver assistance features, and increasingly complex powertrains every year. While many of those innovations offer genuine benefits, they also create more potential points of failure as vehicles age. By comparison, these pickups represent an era when durability, serviceability, and mechanical simplicity were still major priorities. That's one reason they continue attracting buyers who value long-term ownership over short-term excitement. Imagine putting each of these 5 trucks through the same challenge today. Load the beds with heavy equipment, hook up a trailer, drive hundreds of highway miles, tackle rough back roads, and then repeat that routine week after week for years. Chances are every one of these pickups would continue showing exactly why they've built such loyal followings. They weren't engineered to impress people for a test drive. They were engineered to keep working long after the novelty of ownership disappeared. And that's a quality that's becoming harder and harder to find in today's truck market. What's even more interesting is how many longtime mechanics recommend these trucks when someone asks a simple question, "I just need something that won't leave me stranded." That answer says a lot. Mechanics see vehicles at their best and at their worst. They know which models constantly return with expensive failures and which ones come into the shop only for routine maintenance. Time after time, these pickups have built reputations for staying on the road instead of sitting on a repair lift. That kind of trust isn't created by advertising. It comes from years of real-world performance. The Ford Raptor continues to surprise people because many assume a high-performance truck must automatically be unreliable. In reality, much of the truck's toughness comes from components designed to survive extreme punishment. The reinforced frame, upgraded suspension, and purpose-built off-road hardware weren't added just for appearance. They were engineered to absorb impacts, handle rough terrain, and keep moving under conditions that would challenge ordinary pickups. That's why many used Raptors still feel remarkably solid even after years of demanding use.